Have you ever tried to send money from Venmo to Cash App and found yourself hitting a wall? It's a common problem because these two platforms don't allow direct transfers between each other. So, how do you bridge the gap? The solution is to use a bank account or a debit card as an intermediary. The workaround, a two-step process. The core of this method is a simple two-step process. First, you'll cash out the money from your Venmo account to your linked bank account. Second, you'll add cash to your Cash App account from that same bank account. Think of your bank account as a neutral middleman that facilitates the transfer. Let's break it down. Step 1. Venmo to bank account. Open your Venmo app and tap the Manage Balance or Transfer button. Select the option to transfer money to your bank account. You will be given two options, a standard transfer or an instant transfer. Standard transfers are free but can take 1 to 3 business days. Instant transfers are, well, instant, but they come with a small fee, typically 1.75% of the transfer amount. Choose the option that works best for you and confirm the transfer. Step 2. Bank account to Cash App. Once the funds have landed in your bank account, open your Cash App. Tap the Banking or My Cash tab. Select the Add Cash button. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Confirm the transfer. The money will be pulled from your linked bank account and added to your Cash App balance. A faster way, the debit card method. Want to skip the waiting game with the bank? You can also use a debit card as your bridge. It works similarly to the bank account method, but with a slight twist. You'll link your debit card to both apps. Step 1. Venmo to debit card. In Venmo, choose the Instant Transfer option. Select your linked debit card as the destination. Remember, this will incur a fee, but the money is usually available in minutes. Step 2. Debit card to Cash App. With the funds now on your debit card, open Cash App. Use the Add Cash feature. The money will be pulled from your debit card and added to your Cash App. This transaction is typically instant. And there you have it. By using a bank account or a debit card as an intermediary, you can easily transfer money between Venmo and Cash App. It's a simple workaround that gets the job done. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.